Exodus 13. Then Yudhe-Vavhe spoke to Moses, saying, Consecrate to me all the firstborn, whatever opens the womb, among the children of Israel, both of man and beast. It is mine. And Moses said to the people, Remember this day in which you went out of Egypt, out of the house of bondage, for by strength of hand Yudhe-Vavhe brought you out of this place. No leavened bread shall be eaten. On this day you are going out in the month of Abib. And it shall be, when Yudhe-Vavhe brings you into the land of the Canaanites, and the Hittites, and the Amorites, and the Hivites, and the Jebusites, which he swore to your fathers to give you, a land flowing with milk and honey, that you shall keep the service in this month. 7 days you shall eat unleavened bread, and on the seventh day there shall be a feast to Yudhe-Vavhe. Unleavened bread shall be eaten 7 days, and no leavened bread shall be seen among you, nor shall leaven be seen among you in all your quarters. And you shall tell your sons that day, saying, This is done because of what Yudhe-Vavhe did for me when I came up from Egypt. It shall be a sign to you on your hand, and as a memorial between your eyes, that Yudhe-Vavhe's law may be in your mouth, for with a strong hand Yudhe-Vavhe has brought you out of Egypt. And that's why the Jews will tie that thing on their hand and that thing on their forehead. It's according to this laws and what the Lord told them, but they take it literally. You shall therefore keep this ordinances or regulations in its season from year to year. And it shall be, when Yudhe-Vavhe brings you into the land of the Canaanites, as he swore to you and your fathers, and gives it to you, that you shall set apart to Yudhe-Vavhe all that opens the womb. And that womb is actually matrix. That is, every firstborn that comes from an animal which you have, the males shall be Yudhe-Vavhes. But every firstborn of a donkey you shall redeem with a lamb, and if you shall not redeem it, then you shall break its neck. And all the firstborn of man among your sons you shall redeem. So it shall be, when your son asks you in time to come, saying, What is this? Or what are you doing? Or why are you doing this? That you shall say to him, By strength of hand Yudhe-Vavhe brought us up, or brought us out of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. And it came to pass, when Pharaoh was stubborn about letting us go, that Yudhe-Vavhe killed all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, both the firstborn of man and the firstborn of beast. Therefore I sacrifice to Yudhe-Vavhe all the males that open the womb or the matrix from the animals. But all the firstborn of my sons I redeem. It shall be as a sign on your hand and as a frontlet between your eyes, for by strength of hand Yudhe-Vavhe brought us up out of Egypt. Then it came to pass, when Pharaoh had let the people go, that God did not lead them by the way of the land of the Philistines, although that was near. For God said, lest perhaps the people change their minds when they see war and return to Egypt. So already God can see their fearful heart, that they would run back even into bondage and captivity to escape having to fight a war in which they might be killed. So God led the people around by the way of the wilderness of the Red Sea, and the children of Israel went up in orderly ranks out of the land of Egypt. And Moses took the bones of Joseph with him, for he had placed the children of Israel under solemn oath, saying, God will surely visit you, and you shall carry up my bones from here with you. So they took their journey from Sukkoth and camped in Etham at the edge of the wilderness. And Yud-Heh-Vaveh went before them by day in a pillar of cloud to lead the way, and by night in a pillar of fire to give them light, so as to go by day and night. He did not take away the pillar of cloud by day or the pillar of fire by night from before the people.